Or you can just empty it out. Is this all your candy?
Can't find it. Wait, Dad, I need my Halloween bag because when I had it when we were going trick-or-treating, I noticed you left something in it. Here it is. Hey, money he gave me. And I got a, where is it? Gift certificate from McDonald's. Bubble gum.